Welcome on the How to Access the Library Databases tutorial. This tutorial is for teachers, students, employees and researchers. To enter the library databases from outside ISCTE, you must configure a VPN connection. For that, download GlobalProtect entering in the following website, https://vpn.iscte-ul.pt/. Then it will be necessary to use the ISCTE login with the user without a iscte-ul.pt and password. It's possible to choose each version to download according with your Windows operating system 32 or 64 bits. After the download, execute the installation file and proceed as presented. It's advised that you have the latest Windows 10 and updated, otherwise it may not work. To configure the VPN, the GlobalProtect portal must be filled with vpn.iscte-ul.pt. Then the ISCTE login will be asked with the user without a iscte-ul.pt and password. A connection will be attempt, and if a new window appears with a welcome message, is because the VPN is established with success. In a browser, search for Resources Biblioteca, ISCTE. And then press the following link. The library webpage will appear, and you will notice that is only available in Portuguese for the moment. Now is possible to search in the library databases. When a VPN connection is not necessary, it should be disabled, and then enable when necessary, maintaining by this way the ISCTE network integrity for anyone who needs to access it.